In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Contacts directly from Gmail. Whether you're looking to connect with a friend, a colleague, or simply manage your contacts better, this simple guide will show you how to do it in just a few steps. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account, so go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your Gmail inbox page, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a grid icon. This icon is a gateway to various Google apps, and it's going to be your starting point for accessing Google Contacts. Click on the grid icon and you'll see a menu of different Google services you use like Drive, Meet, and Calendar. But today's focus is Google Contacts. Scroll down until you find the Contacts icon and go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to Google Contacts, where you'll have the entire list of your stored contacts at your fingertips. Now once you've clicked on Contacts, you'll be taken to the Google Contacts interface. Here you can see all the people you've saved along the way. These might include email addresses from previous communications or contacts you've manually added. It's a neat organizational tool that makes it easier to connect with the right person when the need arises. Within Google Contacts, you can manage and organize your contacts in various ways. You might notice options to add new contacts, edit existing ones, or even delete those that are no longer relevant. Perhaps you want to create specific labels to group your contacts into categories like family, work, or friends. This feature helps in keeping everything tidy and accessible. If you're not immediately seeing the contact you're looking for, don't worry. There's a search bar at the top of the contacts page. Just type in the name or email address of the contact you're searching for and it should appear right away. The search feature is particularly useful if your contact list is extensive. In case you need to access more detailed information, simply click on the contact's name and you'll find additional details like phone numbers, street addresses, and other information you might have saved. This helps ensure you have all the necessary information at your disposal when reaching out. So there you have it. In just a few simple clicks, you've learned how to access and manage your Google Contacts right from Gmail. This nifty feature can help streamline your communication, making it quicker and easier to stay connected. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide enhances your Gmail experience. Be sure to stick around for more helpful tips and tutorials.